One most common eye mistake you see people make daily.
Rubbing the eyes. उसको लगता है rubbing will improve their conditions. That's not going to happen. In fact, it makes the cornea weak.
Yeah.
And it also affects the blood vessels around your eye. So that should be avoided. आप चाहे तो artificial drops आप preservative free वो आप डालिए, लेकिन rubbing
Okay. But I think especially when they feel tired और तब मन करता है like this they get this urge to rub their eyes and then they feel better. I mean I'm talking about me secretly. But it's very bad.
But आप हाथ आपके रब कीजिए और ये warm compresses ले लीजिए. That's more than enough for it.
But rubbing is bad.
Yeah, it's very bad.
Are blue light glasses worth it or overrated?
It's overrated, especially for the computer users, but they are not harmful.
Doctor, I've seen some people, they consider putting ghee or honey or maybe morning salivas into their eyes in order to improve the vision. What's your opinion on such things?
और घी और हनी खाने के लिए है, वो आंखों के लिए नहीं. भले वो नेचुरल है,
Yeah.
लेकिन they invite infections. So strictly no.
Strictly no. And how about morning saliva?
No, that is also strictly no, because it can spread the infection.
So best way to relieve tired eyes after long screen usage?
Take rest and 20-20 rules when you are using this. But taking rest is the most important thing.
Taking rest. Okay. So after every like कुछ 20 minutes or 30 minutes के बाद give your eyes a break.
Yes.
और वो बहुत interesting था जो आपने बताया. I mean बहुत useful था blinking of the eyes वाला. I would want our viewers to watch the entire podcast and especially that part.
Every 20 minutes you should get up, go for 20-30 seconds outside. ऑब्जर्व द पेड़ पौधे देख लो, उसकी वजह से आपको ग्रीन खाने की भी याद आ जाएगी. तो वो भी खा लो, सनलाइट भी देख लेंगे आप.
Okay. Now, Dr. Seth, I have some questions for you regarding kids and their eyesight. One early sign of poor eyesight.
Not performing well in school.
Okay.
And probably squeezing the eyes to see the things clearly. So this would be one of the earliest sign to understand when the child is not seeing well.
So can too much screen time permanently damage the eyes?
Screen time is going to damage the eyes in two ways. One is making the eyes dry, and second, increasing the minus power. So if the minus power increases beyond certain limit, then issues related to minus power like retinal issues, glaucoma, all these issues can also arise because these issues are common in patients who have high minus power. So that's why screen indirectly can invite other complications which can happen in the patients with minus power.
Okay, which directly or indirectly damage the eyes.
Yes.
Doctor, one food for kids' eye health every kid should eat. I really want all the kids to listen to this.
So I do advise all my kids that you have to include green leafy vegetables in your diet. Okay. It is not only important for your eyes, but also for overall health. Okay, and apart from this, food which contains other nutrients like fruits. Fruits also papaya, oranges, citrus fruits. They are good for the eyes.
Okay.
So every day at least one of these fruits and green leafy vegetables.
Great. And I think with this winter season, we have good quality green leafy vegetables available to us. We must make best use of it. One daily habit to protect eyes from the strain, especially for kids.
Going outdoors. When you go outdoor, automatically your eyes grow well, and that will skip the screen usage, and that itself will reduce the strain.
Okay, so more outdoor than
activities.
indoor.
Yes.
बाहर pollution है, क्या करें?
So 90 minutes a day, probably during the hours when there is pollution is less, probably early morning hours. That will be the best way of doing it.
Right. And look at the coincidence. अभी हम बोलते हैं कि morning time में pollution सबसे ज़्यादा होता है, तो avoid going out. And children, they have to
go out during
out in the early morning time when the pollution is at its peak. अपने school bus के लिए उनको बाहर खड़े होना पड़ता है, which is so unfortunate. And at their age, it's even more critical for them.
Yes, absolutely.
एक हमारा age old tradition, बच्चा पैदा होता है while the baby is too young, उनकी आँखों में काजल या सूरमा डाला जाता है. However, उनके जो intentions है parents की वो बहुत अच्छी होती हैं कि नज़र नहीं लगे. But is it really prescribed? I want to ask this to a
पहले के ज़माने में जो सुरमा या काजल बनता था वो homemade होता था. So that was still okay. But आजकल काफ़ी केमिकल यूसेज के साथ वो काजल बनाया जाता है, जो आंखों के लिए आई डोंट थिंक इज सेफ। आंखों के अंदर तो बिल्कुल ही अप्लाई नहीं करना है, जो आईलिड्स के ऊपर अप्लाई करते हैं वो भी इनडायरेक्टली आंख के अंदर जा सकता है। सो आई वुड सजेस्ट ऑल द पेरेंट्स टू स्टॉप डूइंग दैट। आपको अगर नज़र लगाने के लिए ही लगाना है तो यू कैन पुट इट समवेयर एल्स वेयर।
वेरी ट्रू, थैंक यू फॉर एड्रेसिंग दिस, वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट। तो अगर नज़र से बचाना है तो रादर काला धागा बांध लें, दैट्स आई गेस द सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन, बट नॉट काजल।
नज़र से बढ़ाना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं, नज़रिया बदलना इम्पोर्टेंट।
Very nice. Very interesting, doctor. Thank you so much. I had it was not just knowledgeable, but at the same time so much fun. I feel enlightened. Thank you for sharing all the knowledge, all the wisdom that you did. मुझे लगता है कि हमने नॉलेज के साथ साथ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ों को एड्रेस किया, राइट फ्रॉम एयर पोल्यूशन से कैसे बचाना है टू एज ओल्ड प्रैक्टिसेस और डे टू डे वाली चीज़ें, स्क्रीन टाइम, किस तरह से स्क्रीन को देखना है, कौन से आई ड्रॉप्स डालने हैं, ऐसे लेकर सर्जरीज की डिस्कशन। इट वॉज वेरी वेरी इंसाइटफुल एंड आई वुड ऑल्सो वॉन्ट आवर व्यूअर्स टू कॉमेंट डाउन बिलो कि उनको आज के इस एपिसोड में से क्या सीखने को मिला और क्या वो एक लाइफ में वो चेंज है जो वो लेकर के आना चाहते हैं, आने वाले हैं इस पॉडकास्ट को देखने के बाद। प्लीज़ लेट अस नो एंड थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन।
थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस क्लिप। अगर आपको इस क्लिप से फ़ायदा हुआ तो सोचिए पूरे एपिसोड में कितना फ़ायदा होगा। पूरे एपिसोड को देखने के लिए आप गुंजन शाउट्स पे जा सकते हैं, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है।